Hello friends, Maddie here, and today I am going to create this lighter in Maya. So let's start. Okay, that's it friend. So this is our final render. So this was the image which I was referring, and this is our final render. If you take more time, you can adjust this thickness also. This is very nicer model than this one. Okay, little bit. So if you are new to my channel, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, because in future I will upload more modeling videos like this, and also some gameplay of some games which I have. And I will see you all in my next video. Bye guys.